I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin pulling back. We talked about the idea where if Bitcoin got this bullish retest of the 200 SMA, you could see 28,000. If Bitcoin revisits the 200 SMA on the weekly, down here at 23,000, needs to hold and bounce. You do not want to see the Bitcoin bulls lose this level. Otherwise, it's a massive bull trap, and you're going to see much lower prices. Then on a double bottom down here, see, so bottom, right? You look to add or a higher low. Ultimately, when this giant falling wedge breaks out, I mean, that's when you're looking for your biggest moves, reversal ideas out of Bitcoin. But we've had a nice bullish bounce, and we've made a ton of money based on this idea. We started buying Bitcoin at 19,500. Now, here's the daily chart. Let's just dive into this real quick. What you do not want to see right here if you're long is this to be a bull trap. If the bulls get trapped, if the bulls are trapped here, because you had this previous resistance, which flipped and had been support yesterday. Now, the bulls are in jeopardy of losing this level. If that happens, again, you're looking to add to your Bitcoin bags based on these ideas, but you need reversal ideas. So you need falling wedges. Go zoom into the 1 hour chart. If it happens, if it even pulls back, if it gets confirmed, it's going to call, daily candle close is going to call it later on tonight. If you were to pull back, you're just looking to add to your bag. You can get, obviously there's ideas where you get a bear trap and move down here. That happens. Plan A, plan B. If that happens, major buy signal. If the bulls can hold this level, you're looking for 28,000. Plan A, plan B. How are you going to add to your bags? Probably most of you guys are in longs already because we've been obviously bullish on Bitcoin since the ES1, which is going to call this move. ES1, this has made trading cryptocurrency, especially Bitcoin, a lot easier. So you have this falling wedge, 68% chance to break to the upside, and it did. Breakout confirmed. As soon as this happened, it was bullish on Bitcoin, right? Because this drug Bitcoin higher. This is at overhead resistance, overhead resistance. We're going to finish up at the end of the video talking about this, what's possible for Bitcoin, banging. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person joined Kucoin, VIP link is in the description, signed up for the group, changed his life forever. This person turned $1,400, and this took a couple months, obviously. He turned $1,400 into $80,000 based on these gem picks that we post in the group all the time. This person turned $8,500 into $20,000. This person started with $50,000 when he joined the group. Now he's at $4.5 million. This person joined the group on Friday, made $700 since he joined. The group pays for itself. It's no brainer. This person actually is a friend and trade stocks, and she made a trade where she's up 23%. It was her first crypto experience. Key is you've got to be in the right coins. Every single day, we post the gem pick bangers. 177%, 97%. What does your portfolio look like when you're hitting these multiples? Every single day we do this. We're giving 60% off and an additional $100 discount to get you in the group today. I can help you. I'll change your life forever, period. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorev.net. It pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Back to Bitcoin, 4 hour chart. This is where the magic happens, or not. The idea we talked about was that this rising wedge, 68% chance it breaks to the downside, and it did. Now, the measured move, based on the technical analysis strategy that we use, is the open end of this rising wedge, right? So that tells us you should see a move down here. It says 22,923. Nothing is ever guaranteed. But if you lose this level, 23,750, this downside idea definitely in play. You do not want to see Bitcoin break down below this level, this rising wedge, because you'd look for a lot of downside, right? So understand that this parabolic idea is still possible, but the bulls have to show up here and hold this level. The 4-hour chart just gives us more details on what Bitcoin's doing. It's a smaller time frame, and so you can see candle by candle what Bitcoin's doing on a shorter time frame. Okay, understand this one idea. If ES1, if stocks pull back, if they take a hit right here at resistance, if they pull back, it would be a corrective wave. It would be technically healthy. I mean, this thing has been up only. It would be healthy to see some type of pullback, right? But it would need to bounce and test this overhead resistance, put in another drive higher to keep Bitcoin afloat. You've got to pay attention to what the stock market is doing. Years ago, we were praying and hoping that stock traders and institutions would come into crypto. Well, you know what? They're here and they're moving the market, and we're trading against the elite. If you think you've never traded before and you're going to take professional traders' money, you're wrong. It's not going to happen. You have got to increase and improve your skill set in order to beat the rest of this market. That's all this is. This is a game where you have to be better than everybody else. At least some people. During the bull run rally, FOMO mania, it's easy to beat the herd. They don't sell, they don't take profits, they don't know how to do any of the ideas that we talk about on a regular basis. It's easy to take their money. Now, bear market, you're trading against the elites. Obviously, I've been pushing you guys to learn to trade both ways. There's some real easy 3x short coins on Kucoin where you're able to make profits trading both directions. So ES1 is going to call this Bitcoin move. Pay attention. You could just go to Google, type in Tradingview, and then ES1 exclamation point. You'll pull up this chart. Chart this coin, have an extra monitor dedicated to this, an extra monitor dedicated to Bitcoin. The more professional you are. I mean, you think there's a bunch of pro traders sitting around on their phones? No. They've got at least a couple screens, right? So you got to get to that point. Reinvest your profits. If you've got $100,000 in crypto and you're trading on your phone, there's a problem. Like, you have to step your game up. Get a whiteboard. Get organized. Like, the more organized you are, the more successful you are in this market, period. We're going to take a quick look at Ethereum. So Ethereum, we talked about this exact idea. Ethereum could pull back here. Now, Ethereum is bullish over the next month because it has a ton of news. Now, the question is, are you going to lose this level, break down? This falling wedge is supposed to break lower, right? But Ethereum has so much hype because of the proof of stake merge. It's going to follow Bitcoin though, so it would bounce harder if it were to pull back down here. So then you're looking to add Ethereum. And again, I'll keep you updated on these levels. Someone said they're watching the videos on their phone, and the measured move, they couldn't see the measured moves, they couldn't see the pricing on the right. $1,524 if this were to pull back and break to the downside. So that's where you're looking for a bounce out of Ethereum. But understand that if the bullish hopium miracle happens and Bitcoin pushes higher to 28,000, Ethereum is going to have a tremendous run because of the hype news rally. Everybody's been waiting for this proof of stake upgrade for Ethereum, period. Listen, I want you guys to make a ton of money in this market. I can help you do this. Join my trading group. Everything changes, period. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.